All right, so this is part two. I don't know what the hell happened. Oh, I ran out of storage. I had to delete some videos to get some back. I literally just you learn that with YouTube doing videos. Literally, I filled up both my desktop and my computer, and the hard drives are fucking massive. One is 1 terabyte, and the other one is 700 gigs. Well, I think 750 gigs. I did have another external that was 1 terabyte too, but just all them videos or whatever, and then I got videos, just uncut videos I never even posted before, and just literally I had to like clean that shit out because it was fucking full. I need to do the same thing with my I'm using record from my phone apparently, but I need to clean that up as well. I gotta clean up a lot of storage and shit and make room. I mean, well, make some storage pretty much. So where I picked, so this is gonna be part two. I know it's split. It is what it is. Maybe I'll start doing some videos and splits, because not about everybody don't want to sit there for like a whole 10-20 minutes watching the video or whatever. You'll notice that's when your watch time, like the whole retention stuff, that goes down on the analytics side of things. I'm just being real with you and shit. So I basically gave you some pointers on, you know, broke it down why you get paid the way you get paid, or not why you get paid, but you need to have shit to bring to the table if you're gonna be this goddamn cocky and arrogant and be out there trying to venture for some more fucking money and shit. Another thing that can help you out, that always work out with me, let's talk about Instagram again. Side jobs. Just side jobs. Side jobs. I can't call it side jobs no more. I call it a job, because if you get a job every damn week, how can it be a damn side job if it's fucking income and shit? I'm just saying. So side jobs, everybody who knows a mechanic or whatever, even when I was working at like the big name dealerships or whatever, like motherfuckers used to snitch on me. Oh, Malik in there soliciting his work or whatever. I used to always try to grab customers for everywhere. Uber, if I'm in an Uber and they taking me to work, they always be like, oh, you a mechanic, and then the conversation go from there. Or if they pick me up from work, and conversation go from there. Family members, events, anywhere. If people ask me what I do for a living, and then if they find out that I'm a mechanic, then somebody always having car issues. Somebody always need advice. Somebody always looking for somebody affordable, reasonable. Somebody don't care about price. They just want their shit fixed. There's just plenty of people out there like that. It's the good thing about having a trade. I be trying to tell people, like I don't be like worried about not having a job. I'm being real with you. If you was somebody like me and you had a lot to bring to the table, would you really stress? Or, I mean, shit gets stressful, but would you really think that you didn't have a job? Because I no longer think like that no more, because people just, listen, as long as I'm capable of fixing, I got my 2 hands, I got my brain. Listen, I'm capable. That's the only thing that really works. My hands, my brain, hold on, my heart. You gotta have a lot of heart for this shit. And I just got like those 3 things. And listen, have a passion. Have a passion. You gotta have a drive for this shit, man. Listen, side jobs always is extra income. Extra what? $100 account. If you use $60 labor off of a break job, or $80, $100, or whatever it is you charge, and you had like 1 job out of the week, at least you had something. I mean, 2 weeks I had like 5 break jobs, or I might get like a big job, might get a transmission job, or you just never. I take on whatever, so I don't always know what type of jobs that's gonna come in. Literally, it's up to me to, when they come in, sell the job, get the job done. I don't never reject nobody, anything, ever reject nobody. Period. You ain't gonna be perfect. Yeah, you're gonna take losses. Everybody take losses. You win some, you lose some. That comes with the fucking territory and shit. But you better be winning more than you fucking losing, because you keep losing as an issue and shit. So side jobs is always a plus. If you want to go out and go get you a part-time job, I always think it'd be kind of pointless sometimes, because if you get a part-time job and you work like 30 hours, and at the end of the week you probably only made like $150, $200, or $250 after taxes. I mean, you invested more time working for lower pay, versus if you took a side job or a break job or a couple side jobs out of the week, got it done. Maybe you only work 2-3 days out of the week, and you still got the whole rest of the fucking week off. So I'm just saying, side jobs got a faster payday than like a part-time job would. That's all I got to say. So I'm trying to talk louder because I'm trying to compensate for the music in the background. I really hope don't think no motherfuckers don't bang me on a copyright joint. So if I ain't gotta monetize this video, then so be it. It ain't a how-to video anyway. It is what it is. So part two, just wanted to give out part one. It was part one. Part two was just because the camera got cut, and I do not want to go back and edit this video, so I will be uploading these in parts and shit. So Leekautorepair. Y'all, listen, I'm just giving to y'all from the aspect, from my perspective on my view of this shit or whatever. You can't deny that I'm not a fucking mechanic or I'm not skilled or I say what I can't do or whatever. Listen, I've been, this shit is a bumpy fucking road and shit for me, man. I went through hell and back. I literally walked in a fire a bunch of times and came out unburnt every time and shit. I don't know how the fuck I did it, but I did it. I just stuck to it. I had a drive. I had the ambition. And I had the willpower and shit, and that's why I do what I do. So no, I ain't no shop owner. No, this is a real auto mechanic giving it to you. Just how most motherfuckers won't give it to you and shit. I'm just saying. So I like to keep it real. You hearing it first from a fucking technician and says so. Anybody got any advice, school questions, getting your skill set up, advice, pay, whatever. This is a lucrative business or whatever. Always ask questions. There's ways to make money in this industry and shit. So always ask somebody who really doing this shit. There's somebody who got a good, who got the mindset capacity for or whatever. I don't know. I put my words together right. It is what it is. I cut it short. So I'm Leekautorepair. I holla. And next week I definitely be posting more videos like this. After this, I think I got a how-to video replacing, just more so talking about on the Audi A8, one of the joints I did like a month ago, I think, just replacing oil, actually 3 weeks ago, oil filter housing gaskets, just talking about, you know, those common problems and why they fail and shit like that. So it is what it is. I holla.